Hi everyone, this video is about the wikis for choosing your fact sheet project topic. This is going to be a quick one. So here I am on Blackboard in the Start Here area. I'm sure you've read through this information already, so I'm not going to go through it, but number 5 is the fact sheet topic on Wiki. So over here on your menu, go to Wikis and click on it. And you'll see the fact sheet topic selection. So click that. And then you'll see that there are a number of topics, and you can see that some students have already chosen, right? So what you're supposed to do is read through the different topics, choose the one that you want to investigate and research and create your fact sheet on. And then what you're going to do is you're going to edit the wiki content. And I can see all the history of edits. So do not delete somebody else's name and put your name there. I'm going to be able to see that you've done it, and that's a problem. Okay, so don't do that. All right, so let's say you want to do the zero waste living digital waste. You will go in here and change the color by clicking on this. Let's make it blue, and you write your name. And then you would submit it. It's as easy as that. Now most of this, I'm not going to do that though because I don't need it. Most of these topics are pretty complex, so your fact sheet is going to need some of your own critical thinking to decide what is your focus, how are you going to move forward. Fact sheets cannot cover every aspect of any of these topics, so you'll have to figure out a theme for your fact sheet within the topic. Okay, and sometimes I've even given you kind of two different themes. So like, for example, the GMO agriculture and the organic agriculture, your fact sheet could be comparing the two. It could be a fact sheet entitled something like, what should I eat? To GMO or not to GMO, right? Organic or not organic, right? You can do things like that. You can be creative about how you approach your topic, okay? The information will need to be scientific, researched scientific facts, not opinions, not biased websites, biased news media, right? There's all sorts of fake facts that go around on social media. You need to go to reputable, reliable, scientific sources to find your information. And the first place you can go to is your textbook. Okay, so your textbook, almost every single topic was pulled from your textbook. I have a few other random ones in there, like the culture and environment of a few different places. That's not directly from your textbook, but most of them are. So you can go to your textbook first, then you can go to other scientific websites, you can go to books, journal articles, think tanks. I've given you a list of these kinds of sources you can use on Blackboard in your syllabus, okay? So that's the wiki document. Make sure you do that. I'll show you. I'm going to click on schedule with due dates. Oh, it's also right here. If you don't choose a topic by Saturday, July 6th by 11:30 p.m., I will assign you a topic. So make sure you do it this week. It's first come, first serve. I'm not going to make any student change their topic, so make sure you select one. Okay, that's it for wikis.